Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Thea. Reasons why I want to really talk to you today is because I've done so many skincare videos on my channel, and as I said, I put up things about myself, so I want to just give you a little history of my skin journey and what I've been through when it comes to my skin. Now I know, guys, you don't see these burn spots, but yes I do. I was burned up in a fire 11 years old. I was going to be about 12. No, I didn't love how my skin look. I was insecure. Then to add to it, I have wrinkled skin. I don't know if you notice my hands. Like even when I do nails on my hand, I would do a lot more nail video. But my hand, I don't think it's a good model for nails. Not that I don't love my hand, but it's just not stand up when I have on nails because they're not smooth. They're wrinkled. Like I have a lot of skin. So does when it comes to my insecurities of my tummy, because if you notice, I always show mostly of my upper body, because even though if my tummy is not protruding big, the skin that I have from I have baby is just there. I go dream, I work it off, I try weight loss program, the fat will leave, but I have the skin just hanging. So I think it's a genetic disorder, because when I look at my family line and everything, especially my mom's side of family, when they have baby, their stomach just stay there, it doesn't snap back. And people have to understand that some girls who do tummy tuck and so forth, leave them, because that's not how God made them. When you born a baby, you born with a flat stomach. So if they want to go and snap it back, fine. At the same time, if I eat, the skin, it just ready to show. So sometimes I look bloated, sometimes I don't look bloated. So exercise can't get it away. So definitely I am going to do that for my birthday, where I will remove the extra skin from my tummy. Okay, so enough said. So this is why I take care of my skin deeply. One of the things I realize that is happening to me now is that my skin is getting more sensitive by the day. Like I normally wax my skin. If I don't use my own sugar wax or honey wax line to wax my skin, it get irritated. Like it just look dark and red, like somebody just used hot water to burn me up. I used to use Ambi, and Ambi used to help make my skin look good, and people used to talk about it. And I used to use Naninola. Now when I use Naninola, what it does, like I use it say today and tomorrow, next 3 days it start to bump me up. But this scrub, it used to let my face look so smooth, but after a couple days it bumped me up. Is it that something is wrong with the mask? I'm not saying, because I used to watch movies and so forth where these people put the mask on their face and they go and lie down and walk around and it just look cute, and they put on the cucumber over their eye. I realized that no, that's not the way, because my skin is dirty, my pores is dirty, and if I don't close back my pores, even though the mask help to close back the pores, but the grease and everything in there, everything clogged together, it's gonna break out and give me bumps. So I start to learn skincare, and I believe that skincare is one of the, because skin is the largest organ of the body, and why not take care of it? Because if we don't take care of our skin, how we expect to even take care of the small one if we can't take care of the big one? And people don't understand that. So I start to specialize in skincare. So everything that I put up on my channel as skincare is things that working for me. Now what I do know though, once I start a natural product and I don't stick to it, I will go back to my little imperfection that I find, right? But I still can go on and it doesn't irritate my skin. So the next thing I want to get into is wearing the mask now and makeup. I realize that it doesn't agree with me, right? It don't agree with me at all, because my skin is very sensitive. So when I breathe my own bacteria and it get onto the mask and it touch my skin right here, in less than half an hour I'm having bump around here to start itching me. I'm going through a depression mode when it comes to makeup, because I can't wear makeup, because I would have to just do my eyebrow and leave here, because I can't wear makeup with the mask. I see people doing it, but I think it's wrong, because you're sweating the makeup down into your pores and it's clogging up your skin. So just letting you know a little thing about me when it comes to the skincare routine, why I take special care in my skin. And as I said, I don't know if it's my age, or it's because I've been purging my body with bitters and the natural juice and so forth, I realized I can't use anything on my skin. So right now I'm transitioning to start a new skincare routine right now, because everything that I used to use on my skin is basically my skin is getting too sensitive for it. I don't know if I've been using them too often. New Year's, I want to look different. I want to look younger. I want to look more fabulous. So I'm going to start a new one, and I will carry along with the journey. Now, for the mud mask, if you guys are using this, remember that you have to steam your face first before you use this. That's the way it properly works. Cleanse your face before you use it. And after you use it, make sure that you close back your pores. Also use a warm rag to get it off your face, and warm water to make sure it properly come out the pores, because you do not want to close back your pores with the mask in there. It also helps to tighten your skin. So it's mud mask, whichever brand you want to use. I'm not doing an ad, so I wouldn't tell you that okay, this brand is better than the other brand, but I'm using this one. It's Queen Helene. This is the brand that I use, and I hardly use it. This is like on the fast go, and I really need to look, somewhat refreshed. I'll use it. And thank you so much for watching.